Europass has a selection of tools designed to help you keep all your career documents editable, accessible, and secure in one place. To create a CV or cover letter, log in to Europass using the email and password you signed up with. Click on My Library. In this example, we will create a CV using the Smart tools. Click on Create a CV. To create a CV from your profile information, click Start from your profile. To pre-populate the CV with all the information in your profile, click Select Entire Profile. If you'd only like to use some parts of your profile, use the tick boxes to select the relevant information you want to include. Click the Next button. If you want to edit any of the information before creating your CV, you can do so by clicking Yes. Otherwise, click No to continue. Select a CV from the templates provided. Decide whether you'd like the Europass logo or page numbers included on your CV. Click Next. Name your CV. Select a format and choose whether to download it, save it in your Europass library, or publish it. Europass Smart tools also allow you to build a CV from scratch or upload CVs created elsewhere. Your CVs and cover letters are accessible from the My Library tab. Take the next step with Europass.